Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to Aao Baatein Kare. Pooja here. This is your morning tarot guidance. This is for 7 December 2021. And let's see what's the guidance for all of us. This will be a general read. So I won't say it won't resonate with everyone, that's part of it, but I think there will be a message for each and every one of us. It depends on who's hearing it. Okay, so do check it out and do like, share, and comment on this video that what all resonated with you after hearing this video. Okay, so let's see. 7 December. And for the 4th December, there's already a video that was for the solar eclipse in Sag. You can go and check that out also. Justice, Storm, Tower. Okay, so some of you guys are going through some kind of storm or upheaval or in their lives, okay, and very soon it is going to end. And if you do not you already know how it is going to end or what is the end result, and if you do not make changes in your life, there's going to be a tower moment. Things will shift. It can be a job, it can be a relationship, it can be something with your friends, it can be whether, see, it is simple. You all know, whether suppose if you're not taking care of your health, if you're drinking too much, if you're smoking too much, and so you know the repercussions. Okay, so it is time you take you all know you have to like stop, reduce your drinks or reduce your smokes or reduce your weight. You all know this, and if you are not taking any steps towards that direction, then it leads to a tower moment. And the magnitude of the tower moment depends on how long you have not been taking care of yourself or that situation. This is just an example. Justice is coming. Justice is also balance. So balance is very, very important in life, in relationship, in job, in everything. And guys, do go and check out last week's readings. They were excellent. They all said the same thing: how we have to make ourselves priorities, how we have to take care of ourselves, take back our power. So I think this reading is quite similar, because I see a theme in my readings. A lot of time it's like a story. Sometimes the story continues, sometimes it's a very new chapter in life. So we need to take care of ourselves, give ourselves love, and give ourselves the quality time that we deserve. Okay, so let's see. And you can also attend my tarot lives on Facebook and Instagram, so you can follow all the platforms. Link in tap link below. Okay, so let's see. Wow, celebrations. Okay, so as there was the message of a storm, some of you all are going through a rough patch, bad patch, a patch where you all are disappointed. There can be some money crunch. You all feel as if you are left out in the open. You are not very happy with your present situation, and you also know how to change it. So this is for some of us, some of you guys who also know, but you all do not want to take the last leg. You all are just continuing with it. Let's see, maybe this is not the reason, maybe that is not the reason. So you all are seeing the problem, but maybe not going towards it, maybe not solving it. There are enough signs which are showing you the way. So it is time you take your first step. It is time you take your first step in the new direction, because the first step is always small, but few more steps in that direction will lead you into a very different destination, a very different direction. So it is very, very important if in future this is what you are manifesting: happiness, freedom, relaxed life, abundance. So for that you all have to take your first step, and maybe you all know the choices, maybe choices are coming, opportunities are coming. You just need to take the guidance, you just need to meditate, you just need to ask the sign, the next way, next path ahead, the next way ahead. So it is very, very, very important, and the faster you reach to this conclusion, the faster you start taking steps in this new direction, where is it, the faster things are going to clear, because else a tower moment is coming. Because when universe can take it no longer, universe intervenes, and universe just, it's like Pluto energy, everything down till the ashes, and then they say rebuild. So if Pluto is not happy, it destroys everything and starts a new structure. And especially now Pluto is in Capricorn, so it believes in new structure and destroying things which is no longer serving us. And let me take the guidance. Wow, this is guidance from the universe. See this, two different decks. This is again contract, this is again balancing, this is also a relationship. This is the 7th house, justice. This wheel I see, it can be a partnership which is going to break, which is no longer serves its purpose. It can be a business partnership, it can be a life partnership. So it is something that you know needs your attention, but you are just not giving it, or just not sure you can take the next step alone. And you need, this is the heart chakra, so you need to start meditating. Ask your heart, it has all the answers, because our mind has become very practical, but our heart knows, our heart doesn't understand the laws of the land. So ask your heart what it really wants and start working in that direction, because as I said, we have been giving it a thought, but our heart is not happy in this situation, our soul is not happy. So it is time to get our heart and mind both happy. It is possible, and that is when abundance comes in. Start believing it, in a new life, in an abundant life, both things can be balanced. And I think this is beautiful. I think if somebody is asked for a sign, this is, there can't be a bigger sign than this. This is a sign for you. Take the initial step in your new life, new direction, because your life really needs to be balanced. So that will be all, guys, and do let me know in the comment section who all resonate with this reading. Till then, take care, love you all, bye bye.